Okay, so I'm just gonna go through a quick little video on pulling this API through this public API. Hopefully this works. So the first thing, I use Postman. You can download this for free. Just, Google Postman download. It's pretty simple. And then there should be a link that says download Postman. Click here, and then you just pick your device. It knows I have a Mac, so it's asking, but for Windows, you pick Windows here, you can pick Linux there. Pretty much do whatever you want. But Postman's a great tool to just run requests. You don't have to create an account. It'll ask you if you do. You can skip it. It's somewhere on that page. There's like a skip for now button. They kind of gray it out, but you don't have to make an account. I don't have one, so don't worry about that. So they have this on page 13. There's this sample query, and I'm just going to plug it into Postman. I don't have an API key right now for the Census Bureau, and I don't think you need one, but you might. So let me see. Yeah, so look, it just populated right here in Postman, and you can see it right there. So the results populated. Now, why is this important? Well, Postman is great because it's a really good tool to use to just get familiar with making requests. You don't need to do a whole lot with the census data, thankfully. But the coolest part about Postman is there's this code button here that if you click it, you can pick your language that you want it in. So they have like R in the library. For Python, you want to do requests. So you click requests, and you can literally just highlight this right here. And let me go into like my terminal. And CD, let's just do other projects. Let's just touch sample request file.py. Actually, let's do it like this. New window. There we go. Get a bigger text going here. CD other projects. Vim. Sample request file. I'm going to paste that right there. And I'm just going to paste it. Not even going to worry about it. And then I'm just going to and then I'm just going to go Python. And it runs it. So this code like literally works out of the box. So whatever you're working in, Jupyter Notebook, Google Colab, whatever, you can copy paste this code and you have it. Hope this is helpful. Get that data. Good luck. Peace.